Welcome back to Shelly's Baked Cakes. Today we're gonna make some yummy, one of my favorite yummy treats, Chex Mix. We're making Chex Mix. Super easy, super delicious. It's actually my in-laws recipe and I'm super excited to share it with you guys because it is so yummy and it makes a ton. Your family will love it. My kids, it's their favorite. They get so excited when I make it. So I hope you guys enjoy this super yummy recipe today. To make our Chex Mix, we need, obviously, Chex cereal. I just got the great value brand. You don't have to spend a lot. Sugar, we need butter, and we need sliced almonds, and coconut, and also carob syrup. That's it. Easy peasy. I'll walk you through it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, to start out with our Chex Mix, we are going to dump a half a box of rice Chex and a half a box of corn Chex into our bowl. Get a fairly big bowl. This is really big, but get a big bowl because it will fill up quite a bit of it. Sometimes I add a little bit more cereal because it makes a lot, so just kind of go with your gut, and if you want to add cereal after you've dumped on the hot liquid, you can. We are also going to dump our almonds in right now and our coconut flakes. So just dump it all in and then we'll just grab it and we'll just mix it around so it's ready when we dump the yumminess on top. Okay, now that it's evenly incorporated in our bowl, we're gonna go work on the yummy, gooey yumminess we're gonna dump on top. We're gonna add 3 sticks of butter to our pan over medium heat. Then we'll add 2 cups of sugar
and 2 cups of carob syrup.
Then we just combine all the ingredients and the butter starts melting and we just let it all combine together. Continue stirring on medium heat until everything is melted. And once everything is melted down, we're gonna wait for this to start boiling. And then we will set a timer for 7 minutes and let it boil for 7 minutes. Continue stirring all the while, and then it will be ready to dump on our Chex Mix. So you can see there's starting to get little bubbles on the top. As soon as you start seeing those, put a timer on for 7 minutes because you don't want this mixture to burn. And continue stirring for those 7 minutes while it's boiling. Okay, now that the mixture has been boiling for 7 minutes, we're gonna dump it right on top of our Chex Mix. There you have it, guys. Some ooey gooey delicious Chex Mix. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe and I hope you make it at home and enjoy it with your family and friends just like I do. Thanks for hanging out today here at Shelly's Baked Cakes. Follow me on Instagram at Julie's Bakes Cakes and have an awesome day, guys.